Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Flashback.
Malumpat ko.
Tulod. Uy. By this time, nagtataka siguro kayo bakit ako naghahabol sa maling tao. Kaninang umaga, bumili yung ate ko ng box ng crabs para kainin daw namin for dinner. Kaso, marunong magpa-cute itong crab na ito, kaya tinignan ko muna kung willing ba siyang maging pet ko. Fun fact, these are the biggest crabs that I have seen na naglalakad. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung dapat ko ma-feel, pero nasasad ako kasi parang ayaw niya magpakain. Special crabs means special transitions. Charan! At dahil luto na ang kanin, pwede nyo na akong ulamin, char.
Wag na umiyak. Piliin maging mabuting tao.
Dahil 2023 na, try natin kainin yung crab mentality na hanggang ngayon ay finifeed pa din natin. And even I myself has these tendencies pa din. I'm saying this because part na ako ng group ng mga taong may imaginary haters. Kidding aside, it took me a long time to actually come out of my shell like this crab just because of people na hindi open sa change. Kaya every time na may tao nakakangat sa kanila, ay hinihila nila pababa. Also, my previous video got a lot of attention and that made me so happy. Kasi nga, attention seeker ako. This is how I made my video and madali lang siya masyado. So if you have videos, don't be afraid to upload them because at the end of the day, baka maiptan ka na lang sang bus, hindi mo pa ma-upload yung gusto mo. Yun lang, bye-bye.